We are hearing more of the 911 calls made during last month's tornado outbreak in North Texas.
I'm on Walnut and Harry Hines, man. They got buildings came down. All
buildings came down? Is everybody out of the building?
I don't know. We ran inside our building.
I'm bleeding. Are you bleeding? Her back hurts. Yeah, she's bleeding and I'm bleeding as well.
A total of 10 tornadoes hit North Texas on October 20th. Thankfully, no reports of any serious injuries.
We just decided to start over and learn from it and grow from it and move on from here.
And this Thanksgiving going to be very different for a Richardson couple after one of those tornadoes destroyed their home. Jack Fink live in the Richland Park neighborhood of Richardson. Jack, what are they saying about the holiday?
Well, Brooke, the Browns say they really appreciate all of their neighbors and loved ones who've reached out to them this past month. They recently bulldozed the house they called home for decades.
Been almost